What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Jax from the amazing, really is amazing. It's quite good that independent people can do this. The amazing digital circus. I did like the animation in it. So let's draw this guy. Bunny rabbit, cartoon style bunny. Landscape page, use a pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Start with his eyes. Center point, my page is about here. We'll just come up and start with the eyes just above the halfway. Curving line, big cartoon eyes, like that. Then the bottom eyelid line, there. Same shape beside it, curving up and down. And the bottom eyelid line. His eyes appear to be just squares, slightly curved, but curved edge. Like so. And they're kind of shiny, so they have like white highlights left in them if you were coloring them black. So say, for example, we would do a little shape like in here. You could do circles, you know, if you wanted. But they seem to have square sort of shines on them. And then you just kind of color in around that. Okay. Another way of doing highlights on eyes, just in case you're curious, is white paint, right? So white Tipex or whiteout, I think they call it in other countries. You could just do a little dot like that. It's another little trick when you're coloring. So his mouth then, big cartoon smiley mouth. Curving across, right underneath the edge of his eyes, and then back down. Then he's got like big yellow teeth. Like so. And then his head is just kind of round, going around this, all these. Oop. The hand got stuck. Okay. So his ears, big bunny ears. They're kind of skinny. Like that. So. Then we have a real skinny neck. There. And there's two straps for his clothing. So like curved lines there just on his shoulders. And then these red straps go all the way down to like here. And then they come across his belly and kind of join together here. They seem to like curve out as well. And he's got like two golden buttons. And then the rest of his body goes all the way down. He has a pink color section somewhere, like here. It's like a different color. So very thin arms, right? So the side of his body comes up and curves out for his armpits, just here. And then the shoulders go down that way. And then we'll just connect this to his neck. And then those arms, right? So we'll go down to his elbow, either side, there. And then we'll do elbow. So that's how far they go, and then they hook in, right? So his arm kind of like hooks in real thin here. Like this. and his hands are sort of resting on his hips. So he's got these gloves on. This is the sort of wrist area. And then we go down for the cartoon hand, and you just have these two fingers that we can see. And then the side going in behind here. Two, and then the side there. And he has those sort of cartoon like dimple lines on his gloves, you know, real old style. Like that. And that's it. Jack's Amazing Digital Circus, episode 1. Can't wait for episode 2. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.